Good morning, Skin Beautiful. I am joined here by our beautiful ISDIN rep, Rochelle, and we are so excited because we are going to be talking about my favorite 3 products, and no better person to hear it from than you. So welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate you having me.
Yeah. So the first one, and this is probably one of our best-selling topical products from ISDIN. This is the Retinol-based, and it's very unique, but I'll let you explain why it's so unique regarding the oil and...
Absolutely. So ISDIN's Retinol-based is actually a biphasic serum. So there are 2 serums in this package that dispense at the same time for nighttime application. The black shading of the packaging automatically helps you remember to use this at night. And the retinaldehyde is just one step down from a tretinoin prescription. So it's a very potent and active product, but the secondary serum helps to complement, reduce any redness or irritation in the skin so you don't experience a lot of flaking or sensitivity that can sometimes occur when you're trying to incorporate a retinol or specifically a retinaldehyde product in your skin regimen. So I recommend this for anyone who's trying to fight signs of aging, deeper lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, overall texture challenges. This is a great nighttime product to use. 1 pump all over the face. If you want to go down into the neck and décolleté, add another half. You'll see both of those serums come out in that 1 pump, and it's a beautiful, elegant, absorbed into the skin really nicely to use before you put on your nighttime moisturizer.
And I know our rosacea prone clients or clients typically who could never use a vitamin A love this product.
Absolutely. That secondary serum is really there to help calm and soothe. So you get the best of both worlds. You get really great hydrated skin, all the while the benefits of a retinaldehyde product.
Perfect. And then next up, and again, I used this 2 years ago for 8 months straight. I need to get back on it, but I know you guys probably remember this from a couple of videos a while ago, but this is the Age Contour Night, which I like to call snatched. If you want a snatched look and get it overnight, this is the product.
Yes. So our Age Contour Night really helps you fight all of the signs of aging and the aggressors that you faced throughout the day. So this is the moisturizer that goes on top of your Retinol-based or any other nighttime serum you're using. A little bit goes a long way with this product, which is really beautiful because it gives a medium weight or texture to the moisturizer, not too heavy, not greasy, but gives you that overall textural difference to your skin, especially when you wake up in the morning feeling very refreshed.
Perfect. And then last but definitely not least, I was just telling you off camera that this is probably our most sold to our actual employees. They love this product. And this is the ISDIN Melatonic, which I feel like you guys would really love. So I think hearing about it, and since all of our staff have already heard about it and love it, that's why it's such a repurchase for them. So if you could tell them all about it, and they'll love it too.
Absolutely. So Melatonic is for our patients or guest clients who would like to treat anti-aging, but simultaneously maybe aren't as advanced into a retinol or retinaldehyde type product. So with Melatonic, what you're experiencing is topical melatonin, which is actually featured in all 3 of these products. It's important because it acts as a direct and an indirect antioxidant, which is beneficial to you because not only does it provide antioxidant benefits, but it helps your own body make its own antioxidant protection. So double layer defense and protective gives you that I slept all night, even if you didn't get that, and that look and feel to your skin. My favorite thing to call this product is the best beauty sleep in a bottle. So beauty sleep in a bottle is our Melatonic serum, that nighttime topical melatonin application, and it's paired with bakuchiol, which is a retinol alternative. So if you experience redness, if you experience inflammation, this is a really fantastic product for you because it will reduce 70% of the redness and inflammation in the skin within the first 12 weeks of use, and that's a clinically proven claim that we have. The next thing that I love about this Melatonic serum is that it also helps regulate sebum. So if you have someone who's really oily or someone who's really dry, it's not designed just to reduce that sebum production, your oil production. It actually helps your body regulate it. So you produce enough or you minimize if you are producing too much. So this is a really beautiful serum to include in your nighttime only. Again, black packaging, nighttime application, topical melatonin, bakuchiol, and then the last key ingredient that we feature in here is vitamin C. We love vitamin C for all of its anti-aging properties. It helps to brighten, lighten, and tighten the skin. And so you get all three in the topical melatonic. Just about a third of the dropper full is all you need. You really don't want to use any more than that. And this should last you a really long time. Again, nighttime application only.
If we have a client who loves all three products, could this be their entire nighttime routine?
Absolutely. I would recommend cleansing. I'm a big advocate for double cleansing. Double cleanse, I would put the retinaldehyde on first. Then we would layer with our topical melatonic, just a third of the dropper, and then a small little scoop of the Age Contour Night as your nighttime moisturizer. Let that sit on the skin for a couple of minutes and then go to sleep. You'll wake up and your skin will look absolutely refreshed, texture more refined, hydrated, and ready to go about your day.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here on our morning segment. And we love ISDIN here at SkinBeautifulrx.
Thank you so much.